Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the apps and notifications, and here you have to go for the advanced and select the permission manager. For example, we can go for the location, and at this section we got all of the apps that get access to the location. These apps right here, they are only get the access when you are using this application, and here we got all the apps that are denied with the location. So we can grant the permission for the weather and also, for example, for the Cloned application. And that's how we can adjust the permission options in the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.